Hi, welcome to 151 Garage. I'm Sean.
I'm Jill.
And we're going to attempt to put up the Yakima awning. So we haven't done it before. We figured we'd do it now before we got somewhere else and figured out we had a problem. So this video is, one, to see how a bunch of noobs put up an awning, and two, to let you guys know how easy or hard it is for a bunch of noobs to put up an awning. So we're gonna go ahead and run through time lapse, and after we get it done, we'll go ahead and kind of tell you how it was, what we thought about it. Supposedly it's pretty easy. It can't be too hard, but again,
it's like a map. We're afraid that if we undo it, it might not go back to the way it was.
Exactly. So if everybody knows the old school maps, when you open up a map, it's easy to open it up. The hardest part is to fold it back up, and that's where I think we're gonna have the biggest problem, is being able to put everything back inside of this. So that'll be the fun part. So we'll go ahead and open it up first, talk about it after that, and then close it up and give you basically our feelings of it and whether we're going to ever use it again. So okay, cut the time lapse. Down to like 60, that way we can feel like the people up north. Hi, well, we're back, and it was actually remarkably easy. So as noob as we are, and as we've never put this up before ever, in fact we've never actually pulled it out of that tray or the pouch, it was really easy. To show you some of the things that I noticed, so these rods here, the rods that are vertical, actually fold up inside of this track right here. So as you can see, this one right here folds up in this track. This one right here folds up in this track, and they do extend. They just twist to basically twist them one way to loosen them and twist them the other way to tighten them. Really easy. These are held up in there too, so they just fold up with the rods. And we noticed after we had it up, we noticed there's two rods on the inside of this. Right there, show them.
Right here.
So we had those two rods, these two rods. So what these do is they unfold out, twist the same way. So it's twist to open, twist to close, or tighten and open. And it basically stakes through here. There's a hole through here, through this part of the bracket. It clips into there, and then the Velcro just all the way down one side, all the way down the other. So, yeah. So, get out of the sun now since we have a shade. It was, yeah, remarkably easy. I didn't think it was going to be that easy. It actually took us less than 10 minutes, probably less than 5 if we really got to it. We had to get the stakes out from the back of the truck because they weren't inside here, and that's about it. I mean, literally you could run up somewhere, throw it up, and have a nice shade like we do right now.
Yeah, within a matter of minutes.
Yeah, real quick. So
now the real challenge is going to be how long it's going to take us to fold it back up.
probably twice as long.
Probably, because we don't know what we're doing, because we're noobs.
Noobs. We'll see though. We'll show you the process reverse, putting it back together, and then at the end of it telling you whether it's a total pain in the ass or not. So far it seems like it's gonna be really easy. Just fold them up, roll it up in there, get the zipper on, and good to go. So we'll cut to that here in a second. Okay, see you then. Bye. Okay, so it's back together. A couple noobs can do it, and it wasn't that bad. We didn't have to throw it away and buy a new one. So
yeah, we were able actually to fold the map the way it came.
Yeah, exactly the way it came. Pretty close. It'll work this time. So you're not going to be able to do it with one person. You'll pretty much have to have two. You might be able to do it with one person, but it's going to be a big struggle. So if you do use this, have a friend, have a wife,
A girlfriend, significant other.
I can have a girlfriend?
A kid.
Oh God.
No.
Fine. Whatever. Okay. So again, it was really easy. I was surprised at how quick it was. We put it at 2-second time lapse, and it basically, I should have put it at a half a second because there's only like 120 frames. So basically it was like 4 or 5 minutes to put it back, 5 minutes to put it out. Yeah.
It's a very good setup.
Real good setup.
Quick, easy, simple.
Now this is the
Yakima.
The Yakima tent straight from Ford. It's the one you can buy off the accessories package at Ford. We're not sponsored by Ford or Yakima. We just figured we'd go through some of the processes of using the items that are actually on the Ford accessory thing. We are getting some surfboard racks. We do have the kayak rack. We are getting another kayak rack and the rod holders.
Yeah.
So we'll be able to show you those and show you how easy those are too. Again, these are straight from the Ford accessories. We do have floor mats coming, and we do have a couple other things coming as well from Ford. So we'll show you those when we get them and show you what we think and whether they're the good option or not. As far as I say, if you want an awning that's quick and easy,
That's really good.
By far, you know, not that I'm the awning king. I don't know anything about awnings. But I mean, a noob can put it up in 5 minutes. The next time we'll be able to take it down. And take it down. The next time we'll be able to put it up even quicker. So it won't be a problem. We have everything there. We didn't need extra tools. Everything came with it. The spikes and everything like that. So
now we just need somebody with a stopwatch.
Yeah, we can do that. It'd be like what are the pit crew for the awning. We'll do that one of the videos if people want to see that shit. Anyways, hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll give you more content with the other accessories we get, as well as some other things we plan on doing to the vehicle. We do have a lot of things in work right now, and
that's it.
That's it. Hope to see you next video. Bye.
Bye.